Hello YouTube family, this is Angela coming to you with another video, and today I'm having fried chicken, potatoes, and rice. Let us say our prayer first. Amen. So you guys, today I made fried chicken. I had one of the potato, rice, and I had some peas. Ooh, some peas. That's that butter falling off my peas. I have a fruit blend drink. Y'all know them fruit blend drinks that we have just the fruit in them. I love these kind of drinks, so I said let me drink this today. So I'll be drinking on some of that today, and then of course my water. So oh, that's good. My favorite hot sauce, Louisiana hot sauce. Y'all love those fruit blend drinks, y'all. Y'all know I got my honey. It's the bread. That's how I eat my bread, is go right in the middle. I don't really eat the crust that much. These some frozen sweet peas with seasoning and butter in it. Y'all had one me a butter potato. Y'all know I love my bacon bits with my potato. I was gonna put this potato in a separate plate. I don't know why I didn't. I didn't want no sour cream, no nothing today. I just wanted butter and seasoned potatoes today. And I made this rice just in case my kids, which I'm surprised they got a potato. I made this rice just in case they didn't want no potato. But they did. They ended up getting a potato too. So y'all happy Sunday. How y'all doing? It's been a long weekend for me. Had a nice weekend, but it was long. It was nice though. Y'all had on some fried chicken today. Fried chicken, y'all. Y'all gotta have my honey and my hot sauce on my chicken. So yesterday, y'all had went, I had to go to do laundry yesterday. And my friend who I know, he got ordained as the Iowa City councilman. So I went to watch him get sworn in. He owns a home care business, and then he said he wanted to do something different. So he's doing something different now. He's the councilman. So everybody proud of him. And that's what he said in his speech. He wanted to do something different, but he didn't know what, because he'd been at that home care business for a while. So the other councilman moves to another part of Iowa. What's this chicken, y'all? So that was his opportunity to step in, and he got votes, so he won. So that was nice. And I know them. They were my friends from Chicago too. They from Chicago like me. And the family came down from Chicago. I put a video up of it too. Of him being sworn in. Y'all, the chicken's so good. Ooh. Y'all, that blend is so good. It's almost like the VA blend. If you like the VA blend, you'll love that. Yeah, I like the VA blend. Yeah, those potatoes I made, they're just some extra. I told my kids you can have one or you don't have to have one. It's just some extra I made. Y'all told myself I want to go buy me some more t-shirts. Cause it seems like wearing t-shirts on your channel is so much easier than trying to find something to wear. Like you see people with like Key and Cam and other YouTubers have their name on their shirt and the t-shirt. I don't know if I'm gonna wear get my name on it, but I just thought about that today. I said it's so much easier just get a t-shirt and put it on and trying to find something to wear. So that's one of my YouTube goals. Give me some t-shirts. So I won't have to be wearing my dress shirts. I'll be trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear on my channel this day. Let's throw a t-shirt on, as long as it's clean. And be okay with that. Got two left, y'all. I think I had 6 pieces of chicken. Yeah, I got enough honey on here, y'all. I just need a little bit more hot sauce. I just need a little bit more hot sauce, and I'm full. Y'all, this was a good dinner. Fried chicken, rice, mashed potato, with potato and peas. This is exactly what I had wanted today. Potato. Whew. Let's see if I can eat this last piece, y'all. I'm full. I'm gonna try to eat it. Whew. It made me want to go out and get a V8. That's what it tastes like, the V8 blend. Y'all still got leftovers in there. I got a lot of chicken left, potato. That's another reason why it's good to cook dinner, because you get full. And I know my kids be full and they ain't gotta go back in the refrigerator for a couple hours, at least a couple hours. Whew. This last bite of chicken, y'all. I'm trying to make it. Whew. Like, y'all, I'm full. I'm still thinking about I want some Wingstop. Love my chicken. Love chicken, y'all. Whew. Y'all, that was good. Fried chicken, rice, a potato, and peas. That's what I want to cook today, and that's what I got. So, God is good. That's what I wanted. So I'm satisfied. Satisfied. And my fruit blend drink. So y'all say I'm gonna find me some more t-shirts to wear on my channel. I think that'd be so much better than trying to see what to wear. So I'm done, y'all. Got this little piece of bread there. So I will see you guys on the next video. Oh, yeah, y'all seen Lasagna Fits My Life yesterday? I watched it with Monifa. Do y'all remember Monifa, the singer? Her daughter was on there. So it was good. But if it gets too sad, I don't watch it. I can't watch them sad ones or sad episodes when it gets too sad on Lasagna Fits My Life. So y'all know tonight, Married to the Medicine, and Tuesday, the BET Hip Hop Honor Awards coming on. I watch that every year, so I love BET Awards. So that'll be on Tuesday. And I am done, so I gotta catch up on some work, do a few things, try to relax. And I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys later. Have a blessed Sunday. Thank you.